Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and I love to create and experiment. And if you are new here, welcome to the family. And in today's video, I am going to be doing something really special. So if you've not seen this video right here or this video right here, that means you apparently do not know that I love Johnny Drille. But if you have, then you know that, oh my god, I love Johnny Drille, especially this video. Guys, please forgive all the, I don't know, all those voices underneath that, so just forgive. But this year, Johnny Drille is having another concert and I am super excited about it. And I decided to make myself a concert t-shirt. I mean, how are you a true fan without having a merch? I don't understand. How exactly are you a true fan if you don't have his merch? So I'm like, let me make myself a personalized merch, like made by Raecreates, if you know what I mean. So let's just get right to the video. So for this video for my merch, I wanted 4 pictures. Like I wanted to use 4 pictures. So I decided to pick my favorite pictures from all of my Johnny Drille pictures. So first of all is this picture right here. Guys, this picture right here is a recent picture when he won his Headies Awards. I'm like, guys, so these Headies can be like a Grammy one day, yeah? Can I get an amen right there? Exactly. Then this picture, oh guys, my god, this picture is of him and John Bellion. I love John Bellion. If you love John Bellion, comment down below what is your favorite song of John Bellion. Let me know right in the comment section. And guys, what do you think? A concert with John Bellion and Johnny Drille, like, are you feeling me? Like, I'll be like super excited. Then this third picture I picked was a picture of him and Ladipo. So I love Ladipo because he's relatable. Like, I love the way he raps. And also, they did a cover together of All Time Low. That's Johnny Drille and Ladipo. All Time Low. Like, it was really good. And my last one is not a picture per se. Is like a lecturing of Johnny Drille's name. So while going through his website to buy tickets for his concert this year, I noticed this font. So I'm like, just going to use it to complete the whole look. So I'm just going to show you how I went through the whole process of doing this. So you do not have to use like a sophisticated software. You do not have to use Photoshop. You can use anything you want. Photoshop is just very easy for me. You could use a phone app to do it. As far as you can get it printed out, that's just very easy. So I'm just going to pick all the pictures together and put them together in a collage. So I made some minor edits to the pictures. You do not have to do this too. If you want to, fine. If you do not want to, but I just made some minor edits to the picture, lighten them up. I'm just going to show you before and after of the pictures, lighten them up, removed some unnecessary things, and I was good to go. Just scroll through the picture. So let's get to the main DIY. So for this DIY, you're going to need cling film, baking paper or parchment paper, a scissors, and iron, and obviously your t-shirt. Then you place it into the cling film. Guys, this part is very sensitive, like very sensitive. You have to place it directly into the cling film and close the cling film up. After that, you fold the cling film in. You have to ensure that it covers all through. You don't want to leave any space out. The next thing you want to do is place the parchment paper on top of the paper, then start ironing. Guys, it's better to go from cold to hot. Don't just place very hot iron on it. Guys, you really do not want to try that. Remember to really iron like the edges, because those are the places that are really going to stick to the t-shirt. So iron the edges very well. came out, it turned out really good, like amazing. So I'm going to be wearing this t-shirt to Drille Concert, and I'm definitely going to be taking you along with me like I did last year, if you get me. So guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye guys, peace.